How to respond to reviews on Yelp. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can respond to reviews on Yelp. So responding to Yelp reviews is essential for managing your online reputation and building strong customer relationships. Alright, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Yelp account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your homepage automatically. Now, for you to be able to respond to reviews, it means that you are a business owner. So once you're logged in into your Yelp account, the next thing is to log in into your Yelp for business account. And how do you do this? Move to the lower part of the screen, the lower right corner, and click on the more option, and then scroll down, and under Yelp for business, click on add a business to add your business and create a business account. So after creating a business account and you've added your business, you've updated your business page and all of that, you would be able to, on your business page, after you've started your business, you would get reviews, okay, on on your page, because Yelp will always prompt your customers to give reviews even after they've gone to after they've patronized you or made use of your services. So the first way of how you can respond to um reviews is by acknowledging and appreciating. All right, always thank the reviewer for their positive feedback, express gratitude for their support, mention specific details from their review to show that you read this carefully, and then always encourage them to visit again. Okay, now the reason I can't show you vividly on my account is because in my location I cannot create a Yelp for business account. All right, but for you, just follow what I'm saying and then you'll be good. Okay, so always use kind words for your customers, all right, and then always stay calm and professional. Avoid getting defensive or emotional, all right, and then acknowledge their concerns and apologize for any inconvenience, and then always propose a solution or invite them to contact you directly to discuss the issue further. So these are the various ways whereby you can respond to reviews. And the reason you have to respond to reviews is because your responses are public and they reflect your brand's personality. So use them as an opportunity to showcase excellent customer service and build trust with potential customers. So this is how you can respond to reviews, all right? So once you're logged into your business account, click on the review you want to respond to, and then ensure you carry out all of these tips. Thanks for watching and have a good day.